Yeah.
I better check. Okay, the weather. Look at that. Winter weather. A possibility heading into the weekend. Not quite that dramatically. No smoke. That's a live look at the Whiff Ski Resort in McHenry out in far western Maryland.
County. And they're making snow, but earlier in daylight, not only making snow, but it was snowing just from the sky as well. So they're cashing in on this cold weather setup. But Denise, we're tracking much colder weather, and there's a possibility we could see our first flakes in the metro as we get into the work week. The guarantee, though, a cold weather pattern and an occasional, we'll call it sloppy storm system moving through the mid-Atlantic. Right now, it's all the cold, the snow that was falling from the clouds in Garrett County. It's actually upslope snow. Basically, it's a strong west to east flow. It hits the mountains. It's forced up. You get the clouds and you get some snow. And also, some of these flurries from the lake effect snow showers making it all the way into the state of Maryland as well. Outside right now, it's cold. Bel Air 33, Baltimore 34, 19 in McHenry. It's not hard to make snow when it's in the teens. We're at the freezing mark in Elkton 37 and Easton 38 in Lexington Park. And again, cold air is still spilling in. So we're going to wake up to upper 20s, lower 30s, 30 in Baltimore tomorrow morning, 29 in Bel Air, 31 in Easton, 27 Frederick, 27 as well in Cumberland. And again, mountain snow showers, Garrett and Allegheny counties, a possibility tonight to tomorrow morning. Bringing it a little bit closer to home, focused in on the WJZ viewing area. Freezing line stretches from basically Elkton down to Chestertown, over to Essex, Dundalk included, Glen Burnie, Odenton, a hard freeze in the upper 20s. So basically just south and east of I-95, points north and west, we're all seeing a freeze tomorrow morning. On the eastern shore, it's inland and away from the bay that you're most likely to get that light freeze. Case in point, eastern Kent and Queen Anne's counties, also Caroline County. That's one half of the equation. You factor in the wind, it's feeling like it's in the teens, even inside the Beltway tomorrow morning. 21, the real feel, 7 a.m. Inner Harbor, 21 down in Lothian, Stevensville, 21, feeling like 15 in Westminster, 16 in Parkton. It is a everything you have kind of winter morning, almost winter morning outside. Make sure you're bundled up and dressed in layers. Going to need those layers through the mid-morning hours. Temperatures warming up to 36 by 10 a.m. Upper 30s, 11 o'clock in the morning. High temperatures tomorrow in the upper 30s, lower 40s. So, yeah, not as cold as the morning, but still colder than it should be. Typically, this time of year, we're in the lower 50s or so. 43 in Elkton, 43 in Easton, 42 in Baltimore. Yet another day spent below freezing in McHenry. We're really going to cash in on some of that snowfall, man-made and otherwise, there in the ski resorts of far western Maryland, West Virginia, and southwestern Pennsylvania. In your neighborhood forecast on your corner in Howard County, this is one of the colder spots of the metro. Lucky to hit 40 in Lisbon. Poplar Springs at 40. So many of these spots won't get warmer than 41 or 42. And I think some neighborhoods in Howard County will stay in the 30s all day long. Here's the other factor again. It is gusting 20 to 30 in most neighborhoods. Bel Air, though, in Elkton as well as Chestertown. So the eastern shore and northeastern Maryland, even windier, gusting 30 to 35 miles an hour. Now, in your Super 7-day forecast, Saturday, not bad. Could have a few snow showers moving into western Maryland by Saturday night. And then Sunday, we're watching for the potential for basically rain to move in. But as it does, it could briefly mix with snow and sleet. No wintry accumulation. But for everyone traveling back, wet roadways, chilly temperatures. Break Monday, more impactful winter system is possible. Tuesday, the guarantee is a miserable cold rain. But I do think there's a potential for slushy, maybe inch or two of snow in parts of the area and heavier snow to our north. So regional travel will be impacted. For us, the guarantee is cold, heavy rain, and it could start as some snow as well Tuesday. That could impact some folks mainly north of I-70, mainly southern Pennsylvania. But watching it locally, there is some uncertainty. We're back to cold, dry weather Wednesday, Thursday. Yet another system, Denise, in the forecast next Friday on into next weekend. We'll be keeping you updated.
All right. Thank you, Cutter.